Dear children, today we are going to solve the 10th problem in exercise 8.1. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is 25 cm and PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Here we are given a right angle triangle PQR where Q is 90 degree. PQ's value is given but the other two values are not given, but instead it is given as PR plus QR is 25 cm. We have to find what is sine, cos and tan. To find sine, cos and tan, we should know what is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse and everything. So now we have to find all the unknown values and substitute and find these values. So according to the question, let us draw a right angle triangle where Q is 90 degree. PQ is given as 5 cm. Here these two values I have written in red color. That means after finding I have written these values to differentiate between what is given and what is not given. So these two values you should not write first. First you have to find out and then write. So as usual, let us take the what is written given. Let us write now. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is 25 cm, PQ is equal to 5 cm. This is given in the question. So whenever a right angle triangle is given, we use Pythagoras theorem to find the unknown values. So according to that, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is the hypotenuse. So now, from this PR plus QR is 25 cm, we can find what is QR. QR is 25 minus PR. So instead of QR, we can substitute this value. So PR square is equal to 5 square plus QR square. So instead of QR, I am substituting 25 minus PR the whole square. And this becomes A minus B the whole square form. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So, PR square is equal to 25 plus 25 square plus PR square minus 2 into 25 into PR. So, now PR square is equal to 25 plus 625 plus PR square minus 50 PR. This PR square and PR square gets cancelled. You know very well when it brings to the other side it becomes 0. So, now I am bringing this minus 50 PR to the left hand side. So, 50 PR is equal to 650. PR is equal to 650 by 50, cancelling the two zeros. 5 ones are 5, 5 13s are 65. So PR is equal to 13 cm. I put a box because these are the unknown values. To identify, I have just put a box. Next, I am substituting this value in QR is equal to 25 minus PR. So QR is equal to 25 minus 13. Instead of PR, I have just put 13. So 12 cm. So I got QR is equal to 12 cm. Next, sin P is equal to, you know very well, it is opposite by hypotenuse, QR by PR, that is 12 by 13. Cos P is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, PQ by PR, 5 by 13. Tan P is equal to opposite by adjacent, QR by PQ, that is 12 by 5. These are the three answers what you have to find out. Next, let us go to the next question. 11th one. State whether the following are true or false. Justify answer. That means you have to say whether it is true or false and you have to write the reason for that. The first one, value of tan A is always less than 1. It is false because when I take tan 60, it is root 3, which is nothing but 1.732, which is greater than 1. So always less than 1 means the statement is false. Next, secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. That is true because secant A is 12 by 5 is 2.4, which is greater than 1. When you take the values of secant A, it will be always greater than 1. So, the statement is true. The third question is, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. It is false because cos A is nothing but cosine A, not cosecant. So, false because cos A is the abbreviation for cosine A. So next is, fourth one is cot A is the product of cot and A. Cot A is not the product of cot and A. It is, cot means it is cotangent. It is the cotangent of an angle A. It is not the product. So the statement is false because cot A is the cotangent of angle A. Next is sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. This statement is false because sin theta is 4 by 3, which is nothing but 1.333, which is greater than 1. Sin theta can never be greater than 1. It is always less than 1. So, the statement is false. When you take the values, you can find out. Thank you.